สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! Monday, new recipe! For today, I would like to make something different. Normally, when you hear dumpling, you would think about flour stuffed with pork, chicken, or veggies, right? So, for a change, I will use egg instead of flour. Let's see how it's going. Are you ready? Let's go! Eggs, garlic, shallot, coriander root, coriander, oyster sauce, soy sauce, black pepper, salt, minced pork, and olive oil. I will start by marinate minced pork. To do that, I will pound coriander roots, garlic together in the mortar, and then I will chop coriander and shallot. So good. Now that the pork is ready, cook the omelette pieces. It's time to make the dumplings. not sure about the result, but I have to say I love it. Tell me in the comments what you think about this unusual kind of dumplings. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video and hit the bell if you want to be sure to never miss a recipe. Also, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. I like it. The marinade hot. You can smell herb, and the taste is very good.